import, unique, especially in classics. 1987 Porsche 924S. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 69,000 on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, fascia. 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. Almond metallic would be the color of this. If you want to take a look at the still pictures, you'll be able to see this car from the underside. Interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Has had some repaint on the top of the vehicle, and you can also see that the roof does vent, so the power roof is in working order. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A little bit of a dinger over here in this driver's door, if you can see that. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. Light almond colored interior also. 5-speed manual transmission, paired up with that 2.5 liter underneath the hood. Here's the seating area, nice condition. Let's go ahead and start this up. We'll look at the exact miles. So exact miles, 69,144. Close the door so we lose the door chime. Take a look at the gauge cluster. Tach is working. Top of the dash, free of cracks, really much wear. Aftermarket, more modern Sony AM/FM CD with Bluetooth capabilities. Slip around to the back seat here, this one run. What you'd expect. 924S. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Take a look at the underside of the hood and the engine bay. Again, 2.5 liter single overhead can engine. And check out the still pictures. Leave the owner's manuals with it. You'll be able to see the VIN stamp and everything in the still pictures, the undersides, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. 1987 Porsche 924S. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 69,000 miles. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And consult with your sales associate. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1987 Porsche 924S. This is a 5-speed on the center console. I can hear the blinkers working. Our temperature on the engine is about 1/4 of the gauge. Fuel is reading half. Tachometer works, speedometer works. However, The speedometer is not accurate. It's reading 90 miles an hour right now, and I'm doing about 50, so there is a little variance there. And that's not the kilometers, because it's reading 140 kilometers. The oil pressure gauge stays pegged. That may not be accurate. Radio works great. This car feels good on the road, nice and tight to the road. If you let go of the wheel, it just stays straight in the lane. Good handling as a Porsche should be. Odometer is reading 69,000 miles. Not sure if that is right, but that is what it says. It does feel, you know, not like a high mile car. It feels good. Well maintained. Nice interior, nice seats. Easy to shift. Fun little car. Check out this Porsche 924S at uniqueclassiccars.com.